Alright guys, we're back with another video, and as you can see here, we have a new microwave for the channel. It's an over-the-range Samsung microwave, and as you can see, we've already modified it a little bit to where we can plug stuff in while we are running the microwave at the same time, with closed doors, so we won't have any interruptions. So yeah, as you can see, we have a couple laptops here. One's a Dell, one's an HP. We have a Amazon Echo Alexa show, and we have some lighters, expo markers, and of course a Budweiser bottle. So we'll be microwaving all of that today. So let's get started. Okay, so we're gonna start off with the markers here.
Expo markers, got just throw all 4 of them in there, right?
Take it onto the package though.
Oh yeah, of course. Or should we leave it in the package?
Also, whoops. Wow, that actually held up pretty good. Only half, quarter of it broke. There you go.
My turn. So I guess we should set it for like 3. Ruben's getting fucked up by a bee right now. I'm just trying to hold still, make sure he don't see me.
Well, it's a little beat, but it's like,
Oh fuck, it's right.
damn, it gives.
Well, maybe the smell of this microwave will help stop it. I'll put it for like what, 3 minutes?
Put it for 4. Put it for 4.
Alright, cool.
Maybe even 5. 5. We'll just do 5. Yeah.
Just to be safe.
Okay.
Right there on your fucking head, right there. Don't freak out.
Wait, we didn't get.
Oh fuck! I wasn't even looking at that. Oh shit!
That was quick. Oh, it's already smoking.
I was like, what the fuck was that? And I was like, oh yeah, the microwave.
That's only 2, I think.
Huh?
I think that's only 2 of them.
Yeah, I heard 2 booms. I did not expect that at all.
I wasn't expecting them to go that quick, man.
Fucking duck and shit. Was it just a fuck? You can kind of smell the markers. The bee's like right on your hand too.
Oh my god! Retarded bee, man. Has a whole sky to fly in.
Oh! There goes 3.
Yours is in the tub, or whatever you want.
Oh yeah, this one's good.
We got one more.
Where's the idea on the bottle?
Just twist it.
Oh. Right there. Cheers, guys.
Yep. Cheers. That's a good beer.
Drinking's cool.
There's one more, ain't there?
There's one more in there. That needs to go.
It's smoking. Oh, I see it flickering.
Oh! Fucking me. Hit me right in the fucking head, man.
Maybe it's attracted to our sweat or cologne.
Something. I wish
Oh god, it is smoking now.
Yeah, one's glowing. That might be the last one.
Oh, look! Yeah, we gotta kill it. You see it?
Yeah, I'm seeing it. Oh, shit! Whoa, you're lucky I fucking saved that shit.
I appreciate it.
One has to go. Look, yeah, the black one hasn't gone yet.
God, I hope it's not that green one. Oh wait, no, it's the one up front. Maybe we should get the fire extinguisher.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
I just don't want it to be a big old mess in there.
Our stupid asses forgot the fucking fire extinguisher. Just blows up on you.
Okay, that was fun. I'm gonna go get the broom. I was not expecting them to go that quick.
Yeah, honestly, I didn't think they were gonna explode. I thought they were just gonna melt.
I think they're good. So supposedly expo markers are flammable.
And explosive a little bit. Good to know. Yeah, look at that paint. Beautiful.
The nice thing is that this will just brush off. It's not.
Look at that. Look at that paint. That's a beautiful way to do art, guys. Put the source of expo markers in the microwave. Picasso.
Well, as you can see, the microwave already is getting dirty. What are we up to next?
What do you think? The lighters?
I think we'll do the beer bottle.
Beer, yeah.
Alright guys, full Budweiser, and we're going to shake it up a bit.
Got a Budweiser.
And we're just going to place it in here like that.
This should go.
And we're going to do probably like, what, 4.5 minutes?
Let's say do 5 again.
And we are leaving.
Adios.
Perfect.
Oh shit.
My phone is the one that got hit. Yours is fine. Well, luckily my phone landed here. So it's good.
Fucking God.
Luckily I got
Oh,
that.
it says I fucking beat. Oh, your phone got knocked over. Holy shit.
The cool thing is that my phone just landed on that chair perfectly.
Damn.
And the microwave's still on.
Oh, fuck. Where's the rest of the time?
It kind of it dented it. It dented it here. Hopefully it's still good.
Oh my God. That was fucking awesome.
I
It
knew
was right at the buzzer too, I think. I don't know.
45 seconds was on the time.
Really?
Yeah. That bee's still there.
Why the fuck is he always there? Why does he have to be in the video? Come on, B.
Oh God, I hope this microwave is okay, man.
Should be.
It looks like it is, but the whole panel got dented up here, so I don't know. We'll see.
It's still on, right?
Yeah. Okay, so the microwave's kind of broken. It still works, and we're able to set the time enough at least. But the buttons are kind of wonky right now, so
Yeah, it seems like the top half kind of works, but the bottom's just like out. I think it's because the panel on the bottom's sticking out more than the top.
and it kind of just got disconnected from the actual microwave itself. So we're gonna save the lighters for last because they'll have an explosion that comes out. So we'll be prepared for that. But we're gonna start off with the Alexa Amazon.
Alright, so we got the Alexa or the Amazon thingamajiggy fucking digital clock.
So yeah, mainly I'm destroying this because it just keeps glitching out, and it glitched out to the point now where it just keeps flickering. So when I restarted it, and it wasn't even displaying that time anymore. So yeah, it's each the end of its life. It's booting, but has a little light up there too. So
It's on, so we're gonna microwave it at 4 minutes and 33 seconds, and we'll see what happens next.
Yes, I'm rolling. Okay, cool.
Just blows up.
Oh god, this is gonna be crazy. Oh, it's already smoking. Well, of course my beer's over there.
He's going for the beer. Is he gonna get it in time? Touchdown.
Yes, sir.
Just blows up. It's smoking bad on the other side.
Oh god. I haven't heard no capacitors yet.
Me either. I gotta go soon. Allegedly.
You just love saying allegedly.
Oh, it's on fire.
Oh, I see fire.
Yeah, it's on fire.
You think we should kill it?
What the fuck was that? Did you hear that?
Let's just see. I don't want to kill this microwave just yet. I'm gonna move this too. Just
That place has a very unique smell.
electronics, burnt electronics. Oh yeah. Aww. Look at that.
Beautiful indeed.
Indeed it is. Aww, it's still plugged in. Aww. Look at that.
Oh wow. Gonzo.
Hey look, here's the turntable from the other microwave. Oh yeah, that thing is touched. As you can see, that thing is gonzo. Oh look, there's a speaker.
You can see there's this little speaker right there.
I could tip it.
Burnt like a nice flavor.
Yeah, that whole top part was fabric.
Hair fabric.
There you go, Mr. Boogie.
Alright. Let's split this in half.
Smells like barbecue. There you go. That's what we do to electronics that don't work.
Put them out of their fucking misery.
Yes, sir. There you go. It's starting to give in now.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. That's what she said. Oh yeah.
Oh god.
You gotta hit it good like that. Harder.
Fucking gas.
How is that gay?
What are you talking about? There you go. Yeah, it's done. What that fucking marker too? Get over here, fucker. It's just fucking plastic.
Yeah, you finished it really good. You finished in her.
That's what she said.
Okay. I think we are ready to commence the lighters and the laptop. We should probably put in one laptop and a pack of lighters per one, maybe? I don't know. Plug this back in. Okay.
As long as possible.
How long?
As long as possible. Cause I don't know.
We'll do 6 minutes. Oh, now the keypad's working. And we are leaving again.
Oh, it's going. I can hear it.
This time I'm not going to play around. I'm going to move my camera.
I heard something go off with James.
We're leaving. I saw it. It's going to drop my phone on the ground. Perhaps. 6 minutes is a long time.
Fuck, bro. We have a broom.
Okay. You know, the screen kind of warped here a little bit. It's plastic.
Oh yeah.
Stinks.
It explodes on your foot.
Oh God, those are still full, Justin.
Oh fuck. Told you, only one of them busted. If that is, you know, probably the laptop maybe.
That
That
one's,
one busted.
yeah, that one didn't. Yeah, it's still hot, so.
Damn.
Aw.
Aw.
Okay, so this is what happened. Looking at it here. As you can see, the whole thing is warped completely. The screen is somehow still intact.
You can see like on the laptop, you can see where the lighter busted. Oh,
Yeah, whole freaking screen just came apart.
yeah, it's hot.
Yep, there it is. So
Oh god.
that's the disk drive.
Comes off just like that.
Well, let's get started with the other one. Then we'll smash them. Okay, so we got that Dell in there. And we have it set for 8 minutes.
8
So,
minutes microwave.
and
Dell
we'll
laptop.
throw the lighters in there too after. This is a grand finale. Thank you.
You hurt my feelings. You gonna make me cry. Cry, cry, cry. This some bitch don't want to drink beer with me. Three beers, 4 beers, 5 beers, 6 beers, 7 beers, 8 beers, 9 beers. And butter.
It is done. Alright guys, laptop's ready. Come and get it.
Dinner's ready.
Fucking blows up.
Perfect. That is one hot microwave, I will say. Look at that.
Pulling out that laptop like it's a fucking pizza.
All right. Well, there's that hard drive.
Looks like the hard drive's getting hard.
Oh,
Is that flame? What was that? Oh shit.
look at those hot keys, Justin. They still work. These ones.
Try to run Cyberpunk on this Snapchat.
Yeah. Just can't handle the XP machines and the old Pentium M processors.
Your laptop after you download too many Minecraft mods.
Oh, I just shattered the freaking LCD here.
Oh well.
Oh, there's that battery.
Oh shit.
But hopefully it got a charge while it was in there. No
Charge
charge.
with fucking radiation.
Okay, well, and then we still have this LCD, but it looks like I just cracked it when I dropped it earlier. Let's see the lines in it.
Not too bad of a crack.
How about now?
Oh yeah, now it's got more crack than Harlem.
Harlem Nights
Oh,
by Eddie Murphy.
oh yeah, I remember Eddie Murphy.
Eddie Murphy.
He's a good guy.
Okay. Where is... Okay, so... I'm going to get it all slammaroo. That is one dusty computer. The person who had this before clearly didn't take care of it.
Well, to be fair, neither did we.
You're destroying my screen. I'm fixing it.
Man. It's coming apart just like this fucking country.
Exactly. There's that keyboard. I think it's gonna work real good now.
Oh yeah, perfect in condition. Saw this bitch on eBay.
I'm gonna take it to a punch. Take it to Best Buy.
$5,000, no low balls, I know what I have.
We'll take it to Best Buy and see what they say for electronic recycling.
Get Rick Harrison. Best I could do is $3.
Oh, there's that battery. I really hit that. Aw, look, there's that little hard drive. That's destroyed. Look at all that copper.
Oh, can make money off of that.
Send to the scrapyard. Want to do the honors with this one?
Yeah, fuck it.
Okay. Oh boy.
Oh, yeah.
That thing's hot. Ooh, I'm bending over. Look at the amount of smoke in there coming out, it's all hot. Destroy my computer. You're supposed to fix it, not destroy it.
I am fixing it, you ungrateful bastard.
Oh, really?
It's real good now.
It's gonna work real good now. It's gonna work real good. How you like my computer, Michael? Those are those RAM cards.
How expensive RAM is? Oh, well, it's probably like what, DDR2, 3?
Probably. Aw. That's a metal casing, so it's probably not gonna do much.
Alright, let's open it back up.
Flip the bitch. scratching him. What are you gonna do with those hinges?
I don't know exactly what I do with this.
Oh, perfect. That didn't take much. What's sad is that was a brand new computer somewhat. Was. There's your fan. There's the CPU, the heatsink. Aww, it's a tiny little fan. There's some copper right there. You could sell that. Get 3 cents for it.
Damn. Shit flew over my shoulder. Oh, look at the smoke.
There's the motherboard. Oh yeah, open that up. Look at all that for. Aww. That was a good Pentium M CPU.
A little high.
So of course it is, no shit. Aww.
There. There's the thermal paste and shit. But there it is, it came out.
Is it hot? It's missing the face plate of it.
I delit it.
That's just about it.
Yep, that's done.
You better take care of that screen there, the LCD.
Oh yeah, I can't forget about that.
It's gonna work real good now. Alrighty. Well, time for those lighters. Grab that one. Well, there you go, guys. There's the aftermath of the computers, as you can see. Completely annihilated and destroyed. Time for the lighters. Okay, so Justin just put the one lighter in there. Got these other two. Just gonna toss in here. And we're gonna do what, 5 minutes? Or 6 or
2-6.
okay. And I'm out of here. Woohoo! I think that's it. Yeah.
Oh yeah, I could open the thing.
Yeah. Oh, there goes the plasma. A little bit of plasma there. it did go. I gotta be sure.
Yeah,
Oh, there it goes. That was it. I knew there was one more. Okay. Yeah, there's the lighter. I knew it hadn't gone yet, so there we go.
Hey.
Any-
Nice.
Anyway, hope you guys enjoy this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. And as always, we will see you guys in the next one.
Peace.